Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by giving our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, a try at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 18, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.48. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this specific period. The stock witnessed a loss of -2.94%. This means it has been averaging a daily loss of -0.49% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently following a downward trend in the short term, which could present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $414.58 is broken, it would indicate a stronger rate of decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -6.16% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -6.82% and -2.30%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16.12% change over the next year, with a potential return between 16.12% and 31.78%. This means that the price could range from $484.88 to $550.25 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY brings the headline, SPY ETF price down 1.44% on Wednesday. The price of the SPY ETF dropped by 1.44% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, October 25, 2023. It went from $423.63 to $417.55. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 1.18% fluctuation, starting from a low of $417.02 and reaching a high of $421.92. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in a total decline of 4.31%. Although volume increased by 17 million shares on the last day, the prices were still falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 88 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $36.64 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $368.79. Currently, the price is 9.12% or $41.89 below the 52-week high. It is also 13.01% or $62.43 below the all-time high, which was achieved on January 4, 2022, with a price of $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY. Currently, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is giving a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term development of the stock. Both the short and long-term moving averages for the SPY ETF indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast. Additionally, the long-term average is currently above the short-term average, signaling a general sell trend. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upward, it may face resistance at the price levels of $425.07 and $433.13. A breakout above these levels would trigger buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -4.31% so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. It's worth noting that volume increased during the falling prices, which could be considered an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a special way. Historically, such signals have often led to significant and prolonged gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is giving a buy signal. Pivots are indicating a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger is showing a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average is signaling a sell 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if certain conditions are met, the ETF may experience significant decline in the next couple of days. However, it's important to note that SPY typically exhibits controlled movements and has good liquidity. This makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, in the last day, the ETF had a price range of $4.91 or 1.18% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, it has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.34%. In this video, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is moving upward, the first resistance level for SPY is at $421.19. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. On the other hand, if you already own the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. If you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, it's best to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only after careful consideration. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, SPY currently has several negative signals and is currently in a narrow and falling trend. This indicates that it may continue to perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. When we look at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of SPY is undervalued. For Thursday, October 26th, we expect SPY to open up $1.28 and start trading at $418.83. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. Remember, you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions and their outcomes. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock, and we want to hear your thoughts too. So, don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? We're excited to know. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We genuinely wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.